The ASUS ROG Swift 360Hz PG27AQN Gaming Monitor is a great option for gaming monitors, which is becoming the standard. You have a 27-inch fast IPS panel with an integrated G-Sync module and an integrated NVIDIA Reflex Latency Analyzer, making it an excellent display for competitive gaming and esports. A broad 98% DCI-P3 color gamut, an amazing 360Hz refresh rate, and support for the DisplayHDR 600 standard are also included. This video will discuss the performance and specifications this gaming monitor has to offer to its users. Also, details about the products we speak about will be linked down in the description. Design-wise, the ROG Swift is made with premium plastic materials and a sturdy metallic stand, which contribute to its overall excellent build quality. If necessary, it can also be tilted vertically. In testing, there was no wobble or drift. Once you make those viewing adjustments, it will remain in its proper position. The design is reminiscent of ASUS's Republic of Gamers display aesthetic, featuring bold angles, accents in shades of black and bronze, and RGB lighting for branding on the back. The monitor's back is divided in two. The physical controls and a more understated matte finish are on one half, which has a funky tech aesthetic, and the ROG logo is prominently displayed on the other. Regarding connectivity, you have three HDMI 2.0 ports limited to 144Hz and DisplayPort 1.4, which can handle the 360Hz 1440p signal. It is disappointing that HDMI 2.1 is not supported, especially considering that the newer HDMI spec is featured in the modern GPU hardware needed to push 360Hz. Apart from the display components, there is a 3.5mm headphone jack for a headset and two USB ports for pass-through and using a wired mouse to access the NVIDIA Reflex Latency Analyzer. Coming to a panel breakdown, the ROG Swift is one of the fastest 1440p gaming monitors in its size with a refresh rate of 360Hz. Aside from that, it's important to note that the color calibration straight out of the box is superb, precise, and able to produce both a clear and accurate SDR image using the sRGB color space and a wide color HDR image. For gaming monitors, color calibration can be hit or miss, so it's excellent that ASUS focused just as much on image quality as it did on speed. To make sure the pixel response is up to the 360Hz task, the monitor uses a fast IPS panel from AU Optronics in conjunction with a dual-layer voltage driver. As a gaming display, there are several refresh rate overdrive modes available, such as Extreme and one for Esports. The other overdrive options are very well tuned, but the latter is an overdrive mode that pushes the monitor too far, causing some inverse ghosting, also known as overshoot. The monitor is also highly customizable with comprehensive on-screen controls. You have a wide range of settings and multiple modes to choose from, accommodating different gaming genres as well as things like sRGB for productivity and SDR content. Additionally, you have complete control over the brightness, color temperatures, backlight levels, and other settings. For competitive first-person shooter games with a multiplayer element, such as Call of Duty, CSGO, Overwatch 2, Apex Legends, Valorant, Rainbow Six Siege, and so forth, high refresh rate monitors with a Hertz factor above 144Hz are made. Whether you're looking to advance in your game or play for fun, the ROG Swift produces amazing results every season. In conclusion, if you enjoy competitive gaming, ASUS's ROG Swift is a revelation. Overall, it boasts several noteworthy features, including an amazing 1440p image with a lightning-fast 360Hz refresh rate. That is assuming your hardware can support its performance. You can check out other stronger 240Hz monitors like the Scepter 240Hz curve monitor that requires less hardware support.